How to fix Hero Siege crashing on Steam. So first go to the library, and then right click on the game and click on properties, and then under launch options you want to type -dx11, or you can try -d3d11 if the first one didn't work for you. And then you can go to the installed files and then click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking the files. Once this is done, you can close out of Steam and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. And then you want to make sure to go to the drivers section and download and install the latest game ready driver. And if you have it already installed, you can click on the reinstall button right here to reinstall it again. And once you finish reinstalling, you should also check if you have the redistributables installed. So you want to search for redist in your browser, click on the first link, and then scroll down and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version from this table. Download both of them and install them. And then you should simply just restart your computer. And after the restart, just open up the game from Steam, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.